Welcome back to Balabas Gist.
My people, no be small thing o. They say that the Mother Valley, they say they don't take over that place. So as Ijele and his team release a video saying that there is nobody in Mother Valley again. Say they don't buy everybody where they there and carry everything where they feel carry. I go play the video so as it they play for that side before we go come back or continue. Watch the full video. Follow this channel for more updates and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get our update back to back as it they happen. Stay tuned and watch the video.
Look at where they are comfortably staying. After they burnt the house, they just decided to stay in the ones they didn't burn, comfortably cooking. The cheetah had Jeshin in those. Yeah.
Resort.
No need, just.
Don't go and touch it.
Yeah, already touched it. Let's go, let me show you the chemical.
This is the bag of nails for their IEDs. Useless people. The sulfuric chemical they are using for their IEDs, it smells of death in here. See it? They had to burn it. They were in a haste, they couldn't move, so they had to burn it. Have they checked inside this well?
Nothing inside. No water. Where they go? It's this area.
Potassium nitrate. This is what they are using to manufacture their IED. Umu Tobo see on a shrine. Double magazine.
Keep this one.
See your no, I go hold up. This one I carry and go. I go tie up. Na souvenir. Your nonsense we know the work. Amami you know na aba. Wokaman na double magazine. Why are you running? Murife, why are you running? See your shrine. See your offer. Atogidene ni atofore. We don't lose and finish. See wetin remain. We don't naked this one reach like this. Now this one be on offer. Well, now they use you divination. We know they see anything. Okay, carbon pore. Hold on, Niba, I go pack him. Nezenu pore. Double magazine. I can paragede here. I got paragede here. Tonda gabobugi. Ma bojia. Make you break am first. Wait. Hold on.
I'm breaking walking stick.
I won't break him. Hold on. Wait, we'll put them. Hold on. I will put them. Okay, here. We don't push them for that. Break them. Ndara. No be your Mparadi here, double magazine. No be your staff. Unyamuka. Umutobo. Wait, give me this one. Yeah, this one will enter bag. Yeah, mama see nonsense. Which are the way I made happening to GM? Useless people. Useless people. No, this one is souvenir. Wait till you power day here. Which nonsense power? Double magazine. See your nechigi. Magazine. See your God as a whole. Ne your God, ne your four and your walking stick. Ne ye jichige me. Umu iberibe. Umu tobo. Ne try you na be wetera na ani igbo ebibu na me technology. Oro bi shako nde ba be koyi. Very useless setup. We go burn them. Burn everything there. Foolish people.
Say then when we repeat this, life and direct. Sir, we are here live. Men are here.
See men, see men. See the men.
Come here. No be play. How can I stop the here now? Papa land with this. Come and we collect her. Utuzo here, gentle here. Oh, I tell you now, say time don't reach. We all men go collect, say woto. We dey life and direct in Mother Valley. This is Mother Valley. Mother Valley is catching fire live. This is Mother Valley. You people can see it. We are here live. This is Nibu worker. They are not going to run. Peterkaneti, Munkuru, Tibo Hemeneku. I'm going to Mondoson Hoga Ruane. I end the Henemana and the Fuel on a group. Let's end it once and for all. Let's end it once and for all. That is it. Now we will not be done. Pull out! Okay, let's go back.
Let an amount the said this thing.
Yeah, about lawsuit. Lawsuit, I know. As I'm no open up on your jaw, yes, in a lap. Ijele, and your poor mother. We open up on your jaw, yes, in a lap.
And Ijele marriage.
Makana, I have put a give with a benham.
No, it's open.
Umunda Moyanos in not to Manoja, not to Manoja, no Mazia Bosolecant. Then we find me.
Return home.
I don't know to major life. I don't know to major. Bikoni. Yan Coco, or you the mean. Putani, Kaiwera Lanai. No sword by a fair Mukuru. I didn't remember Manoyamba, Mobuchi boy, him. I dare me, boy. Commander no barak. That is me. A barak in one I get no more. Abu Barak in one. Huh? Itu kwa neja hapo teja nguo. Obi na nimekuwa kama mado. Itu kwa neja hapo ta ega ngu. O de tika ideche. Igbo sota echi abo nwunge. Umu osu putani ka elo ogo bayi o. Umu osu putani ka ewere ni bayi. Nda Abakaleke la. Commander Butuzo la. Gentle la. Owam putabi aru makapenta ya na aru. Ezuzumene, but I don't walk up and now. No, my woman and my ambana mezo. Now, thank you, Bazua. I was on the go to my America Kemba. I am away. I know the major life. Aha. Over Sagumana. I don't know how good when they said, I'm going to do the walk. Okwasian. Molly and Alabai and Achon also. Then I'm going to return by a car here. Na send na zora Biafra ton da babu gwange babugi bange ba generation nge dara mad people everywhere nda yesa na wana na ngongwo no jiri gwa kwa sen no wa no la no ya wana Mother Valley ga head na ngongwo ha jiri gwa kwa sen ai no na kapa ke ga hazo mesiri mo ya go se kapa ododo na ya go se kapa ya go se kapa na kapa ke ha go na ngongwo ha ja gwa kulisiko Gaba na Ijele chiji ayana honga. Ena kapa ke. Ana fair.
Butuzo akwe na digo. Akwe gbago so. Butuzo again na choose going again na camp. Wetin dey pursue you for your camp, Butuzo? Wetin dey pursue you for your camp? Elter Skelter na the name of the run. All of them don't disappear. Shebi ona say no na Bijagaban. Wetin dey pursue ona? No be you say you be oga, why you dey run? E don happen. Water pass don garri, oga don run away. Oh, e don happen. I say e don happen. E don happen. Water don pass garri, oga don run away. Oh, e don happen. Runners, Eastern Sprinters Network. So then they sprint. Let me block one with Tobo. Koko. You have to don't worry. I dey come. I dey come. When I go collect. I never ready to make video on now. Where all the formidable, all the resolute, all the nonsense so now they shout. How market? Waiting comes up now. Waiting comes up now. Waiting come the shop. Waiting come the shop go. Where on I go they run. As on a run, you know save on now. We still buy on now. We take by on our surplus. Chebi I tell you, I say that body goes Sarah. I told you people the day the government will remember you people. This one, Remember, the army is not fighting you at full capacity. Eh? They are not fighting you at full capacity and everybody don't run. Why are you running? Eh? Why are you running? Army never starts. No single multiple launch rocket system. There is no single artillery piece that fires multiple rocket launchers. Now just Ufuonu, now they give on everybody run. Imagine where the main fight starts. Oh, the way they are treating bandits in the north. Voila, if they treat you like bandits in the north, the entire Asia people go run. It go to happen for Osu here, Osu move, but in Asia they go to run. Because nobody for here. Now I want to give this notice. Check all the areas. Don't worry, we are coming. I want to give put Gentle the Yahoo on notice. Gentle, you are on notice now. You hear me? You are on notice. You are on notice. Like you go know. This one no be, I really want to know what's behind this thing that the government forces cannot do anything. Only to find out that it's your politicians, they will start their propaganda against the military, lying, sending the Okoko that calls herself Lolo Neka Chimezie. Make she come make video again. Lolo Neka Chimezie, if I know cut you, Isheben Gede Wishigibuna, Ihu Osu local government. I swear. Now for front of Osu local government, I go keep your head. Ewori shigi chwaja n'obodo. Ewori shigi chwaja. Come out and fight, all of you. Obuhoya na eme mkpoto. Come out and fight. Ochiagha Osumohu. Ochiagha Osumohu. Callistus Ochiagha, get ready. Callistus Ochiagha, get ready. Waiting be named the Igwazia. Oh, you gave them Asia as a safe haven to be attacking us from Asia, and you do Abuja. If I come Abuja, they come for your head. Ndazia, tag your ego, let him hear it. Tag your ego. You are giving them Asia as a safe haven. Then you run to Abuja to Imohiki in Abuja. Start making arrangements to double your security. You know, say we know that attack people as cowards. No. I don't care how many police in Ejiko are going to do. If you don't leave Abuja, they buto zugi there. Okay? Igwazia, oh, Ibia noro na iya anua. Na Abuja. Ewere begina haru IED. Na kidnap ndị mmadụ. Na njiri Asia na-eme ebe a na-eji akwụ ego ransom. You caged your people, made them slaves, then ran to Abuja. Ka ị nọrọ ebe ihe na work okwe? Ọ bụ okwe eziokwu. Onye ọma, I'm not turning anything down. No. I am not. This is war. Wait, you think say this one all this nonsense? Wait, I said the intra-Igbo civil war has started. We are at war. The problem with you people is that you don't even go and read the terrorism law. These are terrorists. They are against the law. You don't hear me? These are terrorists. By virtue of them being terrorists, there is nothing. There is no limit to what you can do to them. Look at, do you think Osun will be safe? We are going to go after all of you. Spencer, Spencer, send us message. I don't send your account number. I never see anything, you know. Ha. We are going to go after all of them. They must pay. I say, by the time we are done with them, nobody will resurrect this nonsense again. Nobody will come and deceive the next generation. Okay? By the time we are done with these people, you are there telling us, oh, you set up ESN because Fulanis, we want to pursue you from your land. Oh, now don't pursue also people from their land now. Okay, let's say Fulani people want to invade also. Now who they want to pursue now? Oh, now don't pursue all the people, finish. Eh? Oh, now don't pursue all the people, finish. Which people the Fulani want to pursue now? The community don't empty. Make I go where light go there. Guys, I beg you, I no need to see my face. I don't see my face since. I they ask them, which people the Fulani people want come pursue now? Since I don't pursue the people, finish for Mosu. Come here now, everywhere. But those of you in Osu, should be on a see the funeral where they do for Osu yesterday, day before yesterday. Eh? He say, Ugo Gaddafi say, make I send the okay, Ugo Gaddafi, I go send you the account number. But anybody will get a fee, put them here. He said, Digwe gave me 7 days to apologize. You mean Digwe of Asia gave me 7 days to apologize. Thunder fire him. Tell him I said, thunder fire him. Thunder fire. Thunder name one wabukwe igwe ndi Asia. Francis Chikezie. Ask him thunder wabuogi. Call me anywhere and let us discuss this ESN in your place. Francis Chikezie. Now from your community, the witnesses go come out and nothing say your ESN fee frighten them. Like yeah, any of the witnesses you touch or touch their family, me go touch your own family. When I want blood guilt, Abi, we go show honor. Like the way we go go after on our family, everybody go study them. What updates? Thank you so much for sharing it. Let me pin it in here. Ugo Gaddafi, see the account here. He published a letter that is trending now. Thunder, I say make thunder fire ram. Make thunder fire the ego of Asia. Thunder fire you 1 million times. Is there a single thing I said about Asia that is false? Well, let's go to Asia. Let's go to Asia. Thunder wabuo igwendazia Francis Chikezie. Thunder wadi yegishi 7 days. Why don't you make it 7 hours? Why don't you make it 7 hours? 7 days as what? He will cover Ashe Iran. Please, somebody help me tag Governor Sorudo. Remove his staff of office. Remove his staff of office. Karabachi auntie. Am I the one saying it or your own people? Kache Kemadone Anagore Gonazia. Come out, bring it on, idiots. Ozu, bring it on. Bring it on. Kifu Onwegina Yara, stupid man. Jido Bodone maybe. Why is Butus or relaxing in Asia? Why is Butus or relaxing in Asia? Iguazia. Why is Butuzo relaxing in Asia? Adanebu Okuko is doing what in Asia? What is giving her money? Not be she be the one we just married. Right? In fact, we need a panel of inquiry in Anambra State. I will sit down there and take any question. Okay? I will sit down before any commission. This will not be judge matter. I will sit down before any commission. Come to court and it will be handled by the office of the Attorney General of the Federation. Go fuck yourself. All of honor. All of honor. Wait now, Shebi, nwa baby virgin. My case with him no be March 8th. Don't worry. You know, I love what is happening now because it will bring attention to so many things. Update. My case with Nwa Baby Virgin is coming up March 8th. For his people that are shouting, the case never start. We never even start trial. A trial we won't start now. This one no be where judge go say, oh, no talk, no do the. This one you go day video. Please, I am calling on the governor of Anambra State. This man gave me 7 days. Please, before that 7 days, impanel an inquiry team, commission. You impanel a commission, let me come and state my case. Yes. Francis Ichikezie, please don't make it 7 days. 7 days is too much. 7 days is too much. Let us go before your governor and table our case. Do you want the court? Let us go there. You go stand, me I go stand. You go to give your own accusation, me I go to give my own. Who they fear you? Who they fear you? Go call your corrupt police like all the people where they give you mind, the useless politicians. I don't care their position. Make them they come out. The governor should impanel an inquiry over this case. Governor Soludo, please call me. Let them invite me. Let them invite me and him. Let us go and say it. Thunder Bobuogi. Let me bring on Ikenga.
Come here.
Ikenga, I'm adding you. See this man, oh, each and no 7 days in Kujawa, Tabo Fugi. Hello, one day.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, and man, you know.
Okay, very good. Okay, Ijele, first and foremost, thank you very much for your service, like in the American, and Ârmy, all the men on ground. And
yes.
For our meeting today with our honorable commissioner, we are making progress. Now, a few questions. Number one, what?
Hello, one day. Hello, are you hearing me clearly?
Yes. Okay. If
I'm hearing you now.
Yeah, I'm wanting to show the president channel. Okay, because we are streaming. If in a mind, streaming on TikTok as well. So the question, Najobo, what of Nobulu now Osondo? He went just like every other person.
Then let him come and say it. No, so let him come out and openly say he is running from his domain. In which case, he should not be the Igwe. It's very simple. How can wait? Actually, Fedinuno, Ajoy okay. Then how could something be happening in your hometown? I, from Umudura Amanduba, knows about this, and you that is the Igwe of the community doesn't. How? And so many people have been fingering him. I'm not the one saying it. So many people from Asia. That is why I'm calling on the governor to investigate him, check his phone conversations. Check his phone conversations. Maybe that phone conversation, it will reveal so many things. You can't go back to yesterday. Just, I'm willing to tender my own phone. I will tender my phone. Let him tender his. Let's see the people he's communicating with. What's so difficult about it? If he's running away from it, then it's worse. How can you be running away from bastards, touts that are using your place as a safe haven? Like they are not under any pressure whatsoever. And you're telling me, okay, why don't they come to Osu? They were here in Osu before. No one agafete.
Okay. Okay. Ijele, thank you very much.
Hold on. Hold on. So,
okay.
like this also you are seeing now. They used to be here. Why? Because the people accepted them. They brought them in, and so many people in Osu brought them to be here. Now, the Osu people have a new leadership that's going after these people. That is why they cannot be in Osu. I'm in Osu right now. I'm in Osu. So why is what's happening in Osu currently not happening in Asia, which is their hotbed? I can give you locations. I even have the satellite image. These people have an open base. It's not a secret. All the vehicles they are stealing from Anambra State, over 65% of them are sold in Asia. So you are telling me the king is not aware? The Igwe is not aware? Is that what you want me to believe? You are not from Asia, but you know what's happening in Asia. You are getting the information. But somehow the Igwe is not getting it. How? Are you still there?
Yes. They can draw with the second question.
Okay.
Okay. The second question, Bo, Odomanya na Nazia, a lot of people now, a lot of people now, as in opposition, right? What of
no opposition that is occupying any major position that doesn't have opposition? You understand? Every king has an opposition. Whether at the top, there is nobody who doesn't have opposition. So long you're occupying any position, there must be opposition. So don't tell me it's because of the opposition. Then, if it's because of the opposition, why don't you bring a military base in your place? If you are at war with them, why don't you fight them? If a civilian with no position, no government ascribed title is doing this one, don't you think an Igwe should be doing more? And Abudi Igwe and Kid, if the kitchen is too hot for you, then get out.
Okay, Ijele. Okay, Ijele. Let me play a kind of devil advocate here. You know, in our state, the governor as the first citizen of Anambra State. Ijele, if you
let this vehicle pass. Hold on, let this vehicle pass. I can't hear you very well.
Okay, so if you can.
Hold on, let this vehicle pass. The vehicle is moving. Let it move. Okay, I can hear you now.
All right, guys, we are still. I asked him, let me play kind of devil advocate here. In Anambra State, and the governor, Ibo, the first citizen of Anambra State, and all his duty to provide enough security, secure. Okay, what of because there were enough security to protect? Will you still blame the Igwe for
my brother, if the Igwe actually ran for his life, I won't blame him too much, but I will try to ascertain how many times has he approached the governor to table his complaint.
My people, when I don't hear them as it they happen, now some bring and co show. I beg may you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Is it done read? No forget say see there for Balabas G's. As you watch, make sure say you share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.